I'm Dr. Matthew Koshi here. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of a dental mannequin. You know, as dentists, we need to keep practicing all the time, so we cannot practice and experiment on the patients. So I thought, why not buy a mannequin? And I got this mannequin from a company called as Navatha Enterprises. They came to the ADEC Dubai Dental Conference, this month, and they sent it from there, from Dubai to Kuwait. Right now I'm based in Kuwait, okay? And they sent it by EMS Mumtaz Post. I went for the clearance. I had to pay a little duty for that one. And the box is here right in front. Now let's open it together. So as we can see, we have the label for the Kuwait custard by them. So let me open the customs tag. Yep, it comes with the for us. Yes, these are the jaws which we can mount onto the mannequin. Okay, it's pretty decent and it's hard also. Yeah, and the metal quality, I feel it's good. And we got the knobs over here. We'll see it assembled also later. Okay, and that's the first thing which came out of this so-called magic box. Yes, the next thing comes out, which is, yes, I feel this is the base onto which the articulator needs to be mounted, and this base will go inside the mannequin. Don't worry, we'll assemble it together and you'll know it better. Next is the skin for the mannequin. It's called the Fletcher mask. This mask gives the mannequin the shape of a human. It's pretty hard also. Actually, it needs to be hard. Only then can we have the tough and the right feel when we do the work. This is the Fletcher mask, and it has got the so-called, the tubes for these solutions which we put inside to go out, which can be connected later. Again, the tubings for the solution, when we work with the aerosol and all that, there will be water coming out. Okay, so these tubings will be connected to the waste outlet or the even a bucket which we can keep at the end, and that will collect the waste water. Now comes the the most heaviest part of the mannequin assembly. This is the head of the mannequin, okay, and it has got the two articulators or latest, the upper and those attached to that, and this can be, and we can lock it here, we can tighten it and we can lock it over here, and the Fletcher mask will go above this one and it will cover this area also, so it will look somewhat like a human. One jaw comes along, one set of jaw, the upper and the lower comes along with this one. Now this is another set of jaw which I bought extra from them. Every time we cannot carry it, so I thought, why not I make a one-time purchase. So I got an extra set of jaw. I can practice on this also. It's a pretty decent one, and it has got all the teeth except the third molars on that, and we can remove it also. We can remove it and we can add additional tooth also onto that one. Okay, so this is what that came inside the packet. I'm excited to work on this. Now the next thing what I would do is to assemble this one and show you. I'll show you the assembly also. Assemble this one onto my table, and then in the future series we'll show you how to work on that one also. I hope you all enjoyed. Now if you want to buy this one, I'll show you the web address of Navada Enterprises. Their service is very good. For me personally, I'm very satisfied. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. There will be more unboxings coming and more product description, recommendations and all coming in future. Hope you won't miss any series. If you want me to make any more changes, any improvements or anything on the YouTube channel, just inform me, message me. And do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. More and more exciting materials, exciting information specifically for dentists are coming through, so don't miss it. For the time being, signing off, Matthew Koshy. Now I am in the website of Navada Enterprises. It's www.navadha.com, navadha.com. Okay, so now let me go to the products. Now in the products, so they've got many varieties. The first one is a lab bench dental simulator, dual bench dental simulator. There are many varieties. Okay, now this is the one which the universal bench mount dental mannequin or phantom head. This is the one which I bought, and this is the one about which we did the unboxing. Okay, so including this, there are many varieties of dental mannequins. You can go through the website.